Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. So for this week's video, I will be showing you how to light two bulbs using a breadboard in Tinkercad. So let's get started. So for this circuit, I will be needing a breadboard, 9-volt battery, and then two bulbs. I'll connect the 9-volt battery like this on the breadboard. The negative of the battery should be connected to the negative of the breadboard, and the positive of the battery should be connected to the positive of the breadboard. Now I'll connect both of these two bulbs anywhere on the breadboard like this. Now I'll connect terminal 1 of bulb 1 to positive and terminal 2 of bulb 1 to negative like this, and I'll change the color of the wire so that it's easy for you to understand. So terminal 1 of bulb 1 to positive and terminal 2 of bulb 1 to negative. Okay, now when I click on start simulation, one bulb glows. Now to make the other bulb glow, we need to connect the terminal 1 of bulb 2 to positive again, and then terminal 2 of bulb 2 to negative, and I'll change the color of the wire. Yes, like this. Now when I click on start simulation, both of the bulbs glow. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. Thank you.